Mother Nature, while the world is going through complete chaos, Mother Nature is at ease. I'm just sitting around outside trying to see how far a stick can go into the ground. There were two ducks out here, but as I approached, they flew away. Those are lily pads. I'm taking y'all back outside again. To remind you all of how blessed you are. And that you need to remember why we're here. Just giving us all a moment to breathe and to be thankful. Why don't you all take a step outside and take a deep breath? I know I had to. Nothing in life is that serious. If we can just learn to pick our battles, everything is not our fight. I have to keep reminding myself that as well, that everything is not my fight. Tranquility, peace, love, harmony. Do you hear it? Every time the wind blows, it takes away some of your pain. What else can you ask for? Even two geese can separate for a little bit and then come back together. This is just a reminder of why we're here. you feel like you're being attacked and you know that you haven't done anything wrong, remember this day. Remember the geese. Remember the breeze. Remember the flowers. Remember the sand. Remember the water. And remember that there is nothing to quarrel over. There is enough of room for everyone. Remember that.
You ain't hear me calling you?
Yeah?
What are you recording?
Just the water.
We just sitting out here. We're
Yeah.
here for a minute.
Yeah.
You listening to something?
No, I'm just recording. Put on YouTube.
Put me in my voice.
Oh, they will. They'll hear your voice.
Huh?
They will hear your voice.
I'm bored. It's not to do.
Right. I said right.
Right about what?
It's boring.
No, cause there's not no good out about. Should we go somewhere? Cause I don't feel like staying in the house. Like you like ride around somewhere, go to Sonic, yeah, milkshake. I thought we ate corn.
Say goodbye. See you.